This is a brand new 2014 BMW X1. This crossover has an 8-speed automatic transmission, an inline 4-cylinder engine, and the added safety and control of all-wheel drive. Its top features include a navigation system, BMW Assist, BMW apps, a heated steering wheel with audio controls, heated seats, speed-sensitive volume controls, a multi-link rear suspension, a turbocharger, hill descent control, traction control and stability control systems, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: a smartphone adapter, commercial-free satellite radio, aluminum wheels, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, a passenger-side vanity mirror, BMW individual composition, 12-volt power outlets, front multi-stage airbags, memory settings for the seat's positions so you can recall your favorite alignments with the push of one button, and the rain-sensing windshield wipers can turn on automatically if their sensor identifies water on the windshield. Contact us today and schedule your opportunity to see this automobile in person.
Thank you for considering Isringhausen Imports for your next new or pre-owned luxury vehicle. If you have any questions, please visit our website, give us a call, or stop by our dealership. We are conveniently located in downtown Springfield at 229 East Jefferson. We look forward to serving you.